The REDTIGER F77 Dash Cam is a testament to modern technology, combining top-tier recording capabilities, robust storage solutions, and advanced user controls. It's designed to provide both peace of mind and comprehensive coverage for drivers, whether you're on a daily commute or a cross-country journey. Here's a closer look at what makes the F77 a standout product. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. The F77 package includes everything you need for a complete setup. User manual for quick reference, 4K front and rear cameras, USB Type-C car charger, electrostatic sticker for easy mounting, cable clicks for secure attachment. These accessories ensure a hassle-free installation process. At the heart of the REDTIGER F77 lies its dual Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensors, capable of recording in 4K+4K resolution, 3840 by 2160. This ensures ultra-clear footage for both front and rear perspectives, allowing every detail, like license plates and road signs, to be captured with precision. The 16-megapixel resolution enhances sharpness, and the 170-degree wide-angle lens covers a broad field of view, making it ideal for urban environments and wide highways alike. Driving at night is no longer a challenge, thanks to the upgraded Super Night Vision 2.0. Leveraging 7-layer photosensitivity technology and the Starvis 2 sensor, the F77 delivers exceptional low-light performance. Even in pitch-black conditions, the dashcam records vivid and detailed footage, ensuring clarity in critical situations. A standout feature of the F77 is its built-in 128GB eMMC 5.1 storage, which is 10 times faster and more durable than traditional SD cards. With read speeds of 240 megabytes per second and write speeds of 160 megabytes per second, you get quick and reliable performance without worrying about memory card failures. This storage solution can withstand up to 100,000 read cycles, ensuring long-term durability. Thanks to the free hardwire kit included, the F77 offers 24/7 parking monitoring. The system includes features like G-sensor active recording, which automatically detects impacts or motion near your car. It also supports low-frame recording, efficiently saving storage space while maintaining essential footage. Whether you're parked in a busy lot or a quiet neighborhood, the F77 keeps your vehicle secure. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi module enables seamless app control via the REDTIGER app, available on both iOS and Android. This feature allows you to view live footage, edit, and share videos instantly, access GPS tracking for precise route history, download videos at 8 megabytes per second, integrated real-time GPS tracking records your driving routes, speed, and location with precision. This feature is invaluable for personal records, fleet management, or legal evidence. The information is easily accessible via the app, ensuring you stay informed at all times. The F77 is built to endure extreme conditions, with a working temperature range of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're driving in freezing winters or scorching summers, the dashcam performs reliably. Its compact yet durable design also makes installation a breeze. The REDTIGER F77 Dash Cam sets a new standard in automotive security and recording. Whether you're navigating daily commutes, capturing scenic drives, or ensuring parking safety, this dashcam delivers on all fronts. With its exceptional features and thoughtful design, the F77 is a worthy investment for any driver looking to enhance their on-road experience. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.